Want to make sure you're using the latest version of HandBrake. Updating can give you access to new features, improvements, and bug fixes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, open HandBrake and check which version you're currently using. You can usually find the version information in the Applications, About, or Help section. Knowing your current version makes it easy to confirm whether an update was actually installed. Next, open the Help menu and select Check for Updates. HandBrake can check whether a newer version is available. On Windows, the Update option is available directly from the Help menu. If an update is available, follow the prompt to download it. Make sure you're getting HandBrake from its official website or another official distribution source. Avoid random download sites, because the HandBrake team specifically warns about unofficial versions and potential scams. Once the installer is downloaded, close HandBrake if necessary and run the installer. On Windows, the installer can replace the previous version with the current release. Take a moment to follow the installation prompts and wait until the process is complete. After updating, open HandBrake again and check your important settings and custom presets. It's also a good idea to make sure there are no pending encodes in the queue before updating. If you rely on custom presets, keep a note of them before major updates so you can recreate anything you need. Finally, open the About section again and verify the new version number. You can also load a small video and perform a quick test in code. So, if the new version is displayed and the test encode works correctly, HandBrake is successfully updated. And that's how to update HandBrake. Check your current version, look for updates, download the official installer, install the new release, review your settings, and confirm the updated version. Keeping HandBrake current is a simple way to stay up to date with the latest improvements and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.